So, good day everyone. This is yung problem natin na related sa exact equation. So, since related siya sa exact equations is prove natin muna siya sa kung exact ba talaga siya. So, prove for exactness. So, una natin gawin is identify natin yung m and n natin. So, m is katabi yung dx. So, ito yung m natin. At yung n naman katabi yung dy, which is ito. So, ito yung natin, n. So, ngayon na-identify natin yung m and n natin is differentiate natin yung m in terms of y. So, d over dy times cosine x cosine y minus cotangent x. So, d over dy, kaya differentiating tayo in terms of x. So, this cosine x will be treated as a constant. So, cosine x. Then, ito na lang yung i-differentiate natin. So, cosine y, differentiation niyan is negative sine x. So, negative, ay sine y kasi y siya. Negative sine y. Tapos, since ito is constant again kasi ano lang siya, cot x variable. So, 0 na yan. Kaya, plus 0. Or wag na natin isulat. So, ngayon, differentiate naman natin yung n in terms of y. So, d over dy times negative sine x sine y. Tapos, since again, y ay yung differentiating natin, kaya sine x natin ay dn over dx to. So, d over dx natin is yung sine y naman yung constant. So, sine y, copy natin. Tapos yung negative din, constant din siya. So, ito na lang yung differentiate natin, which is yung sine x. So, differentiation ng sine x is just cosine x. So, para ma-prove natin na constant yung equation, dapat dm over dy is equal to dn over dx. So, pansinin natin, negative cosine x sin y, negative cosine x sin y, equal lang naman sila. So, therefore, this equation is exact. So, ngayon na nalaman natin na exact yung equation natin is solve na natin siya as an exact equation. So, kailangan natin i-note na df over dx is equal to m and df over dy is equal to n. So, pili tayo sa dalawa kung aling mas madali i-solve. So, it's definitely the n. So, piliin natin to kasi yan yung gagamitin natin. So, copy natin df is equal to n. Copy natin negative sine x sine y. dy multiply natin sa n. So, dy. Ngayon na nasulat natin siya is integrate natin both sides. So, magiging na siyang f is equal to, labas natin yung negative, negative. Tapos, differentiating in terms of y, kaya sine x is again considered as a constant. So, sine x. So, ito na lang yung di-differentiate natin. So, integrating sine y is negative cosine y. So, solve natin siya, magiging siyang plus c. So, f is equal to negative times negative is positive sine x cosine y. So, ngayon na nasolve na natin siya is palitan natin yung constancy ng q of x. So, next natin gawin is nahanap na natin yung f natin. So, since nahanap na natin yung f natin, is differentiate naman natin siya in terms of, since df over dy yung ginamit natin, in terms of x naman tayo mag-differentiate. So, df over dx natin is m. So, ito yung gagawin natin, i-differentiate natin siya in terms of x. So, cosine here will be a constant since in terms of x nga tayo nag-differentiate, and df over dx sine x is cosine x. So, cosine x plus q prime x. So, since nahanap na natin yung yung df over dx, tandaan natin na may df over dx dito na equal to m. So, pwede natin siyang itong na-solve natin, pwede natin equate sa m natin kasi pareha silang df over dx. So, gawin natin siya. M is, sulatan natin yung m, which is ito. So, cosine x, ito. cosine y minus cotangent x. Ito, copy natin. Plus ito. Magiging cosine x cosine y plus q prime x. So, may mga similarities dyan, which is cosine x cosine y. So, therefore, makakancel sila kasi cosine x cosine y minus cosine x cosine y is just 0. So, magiging q prime of x would just be equal to negative cotangent x. So, para makuha natin yung q of x lang, integrate natin both sides by, integrate natin both sides. So, magiging siyang q of x is equal to, yung negative labas natin. So, integral na lang of cotangent x yung solve natin. So, therefore, qx is equal to, copy natin, negative. Mas alam natin by formula na ln sin x to. So, yan, na-solve na natin yung qx natin. Therefore, substitute na natin siya from this function na yung f natin. Huwag nating kalimutan na yung f would be equated to c. So, papalitan ng c yung f. So, copy natin. Magiging sin x cosine y plus qx, which is negative ln sin x. Negative. So, erase na natin itong positive. Negative ln sin x is equal to c. So, lipat natin to sa right side para maging positive siya. So, magiging siyang sin x cosine y is equal to ln, i-combine na natin siya sa c, ln c sin x. So, yan na yung final answer natin.